Africa, the cradle of life. Your soil has seen the darkest nights, from deserts vast to rivers wide. Your children cry, but still they strive. The world has turned, but you remain a land of strength through pain and rain. We see your tears, we hear your call. Together we can break the wall. From every corner, every shore, we'll lift you up, we'll even the score. Africa, the breadbasket of the world. Your seeds of hope are yet unfurled. Though shadows fall, the sun will shine. Africa, rise again, it's your time. Oh, Africa, rise again. With hands united, we'll make it right. Africa, your future's bright. Oh, rise again. Oh, Africa, rise again. With hands united, we'll make it right. Africa, your future's bright. Oh, up from the Sahel to the Cape of Good Hope, your spirit soars, your heart still cold.